Do you want to wash your vehicle at home without putting swirl marks in the paintwork? I'll show you exactly how the professionals do it. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services. Now, what do you need? First, gather your supplies. 2 buckets, hence 2-bucket wash method. Grit guards for the bottom of the buckets. Optional, but recommended. A good quality car shampoo, pH neutral, not dish soap. A microfiber wash mitt, soft and plush. A microfiber drying towel, wheel brush and wheel cleaner. A hose or pressure washer as well. Now, first up is the wheels. Always clean the wheels first. Why, you may ask? Because they're the dirtiest part of the car. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner, spray on, agitate with a brush, and rinse off. If you do the wheels after the body, you're splattering brake dust onto the clean paint. Now, the pre-rinse. Rinse the entire car thoroughly. This removes loose dirt that would otherwise scratch the paintwork during washing. If you have a pressure washer, even better, but a regular hose also works fine too. The 2-bucket wash method. Fill 1 bucket with soapy water, fill the other with plain rinse water. Dip your mitt in the soapy bucket, wash a section of the car, 1 panel at a time. Then, rinse the mitt in the plain bucket of water, getting the dirt out of the mitt, preparing it for the next section of the vehicle. Then back into the soapy bucket for the next section. This way, you're never putting a dirty mitt on the actual vehicle's paintwork, reducing swirl marks and damage to the vehicle. Now, washing technique's a big one. Work from top to bottom. The top is always the cleanest, the bottom is always the dirtiest. Use straight lines, not circular motions. If you do create scratches, straight ones are easier to remove than circular swirls. Don't press hard, let the mitt glide, and always make sure the mitt's lubricated. The soap does the work. Always rinse frequently as well. Never let your car air dry as well. Water spots will form. Use a large plush microfiber drying towel, pat and blot rather than rubbing around the car, or use a filtered air blower if you have one. Now, the common mistakes for washing your vehicle at home is don't use dish soap. It strips, waxes, and it dries out the rubber on the vehicle. Don't use old sponges too. They trap grit and scratch. And don't wash in direct sunlight. Soap dries too quick and you will create watermarks on the vehicle that are really hard to remove. Don't use 1 bucket as well. You're just putting the dirt straight back on the paintwork, and don't neglect to dry the vehicle. Water spots, like mentioned before, are really hard to remove from the paintwork. Now, if you follow this method, your paint will stay swirl free. It will take a little bit longer, but your car will thank you later. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or give us a call. I'm James from Hadrian's, and I'll see you next time.